Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can research cryptocurrencies using the Kraken app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open Kraken, and then when you are on the home page, you have to go to the main page by tapping on the left side on this, and then on the top you will see the two main cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Down below you will see a leaderboard where you can find the cryptocurrency with the highest market capital, the top gainer of the last 24 hours, which is Moonbeam right now, the top loser, the biggest dip, which is Kintsugi BTC, and the most traded, which is also Bitcoin. And below that, you will see all the available cryptocurrencies on the site. And to research them, you just tap on one of them, and it's going to open up the profile of the cryptocurrency. And on the homepage, you will see the price changes of the last 24 hours, the last 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, and an all-time chart. Also, below that you will see the symbol, the 24-hour volume, traded volume, which is almost $600 million for Dogecoin, which is kind of crazy. The market capital, which is 19 billion. And here's some Kraken blog posts about Dogecoin. And below that, Learn Center, which is a very cool feature where you can read a short introduction about each cryptocurrency which you are researching. If you are considering investing in it, this can be very helpful. For example, for Dogecoin, it says, what is Dogecoin? Dogecoin is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that is widely used for tipping content creators on various social media platforms. Dogecoin features the likeness of the Shiba Inu dog popularized in the Doge meme and was first introduced as a marketing experiment in 2013. Doge quickly gained a massive audience, however, and now boasts one of the largest market caps in the industry. Wow, much investments. Doge is pleased. So this is how you can research any crypto. As I showed you, all these details are available for every single cryptocurrency on the site, which is very cool in my opinion. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.